Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 21 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really busy week, but a good week last week at Simons Middle School. We did have a Blitz Day. We also had students who visited the Capitol and met the governor. And we also had some students who are learning CPR, and we had our first leadership debate of this year. This week is also going to be busy. It is Kindness Week. So tomorrow for Kindness Week, it is dress up as your favorite staff member. On Tuesday, it'll be Twin Day or Jersey Day. On Wednesday, it's going to be Valentine's Day, so make sure you wear your red or your pink. And then Thursday is the 100th day of school. And then Friday is Camo Day. So those are just some little activities that we are having in, I believe, in accordance with Kindness Week, but also I think Flemingsburg Elementary is doing the same dress-up themes. So I hope you participate, Cougars. We do have a few things on the calendar for this week. We do have an admin team meeting on Monday. On Tuesday, our Impact Leadership students are going to go to Licking Valley and help with the commodity services. Wednesday, Beta Club will be going to FES for Valentine's Day. Also have a principals meeting and a JAG meeting. On Thursday, teachers will have PLCs. Miss Ellison has a training at Central Office. And then on Friday, as always, it is Bring It Friday. We also have Kona Ice coming to SMS on Friday. And then over the weekend, it looks like there's going to be an FCHS golf basketball tournament. I'm not sure if that's at Simons Middle School or not, but that is on our calendar. This week for our student spotlight, we are recognizing McKinley Mulholland, H.J. Thrasher, Emma Black, and Caitlin Florence. These ladies traveled to Disney this past week for a 4-day trip. They went with several other 4-H'ers from different counties, including Adair, Wayne, and Greene County. And they got to explore the physics and the principles of Disney Imagineers and what they use to create new and classic Disney theme park attractions. So a lot of what they did sounds like they explored a lot of Newton's laws and how different rides at Disney operate and the physics behind those. So it sounds like it was a really fun trip for these ladies. I did see several pictures of them on Facebook, and it looked like they were learning and they were also having fun. So congratulations to these girls. They're great kids here at Simons Middle School, and I am sure they have plenty of information to share about their experience at Disney this past week. Just a few other general announcements. Our library, of course, don't forget, is still can do vinyl banners. They can do posters. We can also do medals, and we can do, or we can create plaques as well. So if you have needs like that, you can talk with Mrs. Wagner by calling our school or by emailing her, and she will be able to help you. And also, students and parents, don't forget that this week on Friday, we are having the masquerade dance here at Simons Middle School. The tickets are on sale now. You can buy tickets at the door, but it will make it a lot faster, students, if you want to go ahead and pick your tickets up at lunch this week. So that will be from 3 to 5 in our SMS gym. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.